Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can print a status page with supplies status page. So you have to go to setting first, search the settings in your search bar and go to Bluetooth and devices, printer and scanners, and select your printer which you are looking for the supplies status page printout. So I am going to do with the HP Laserjet professional printer. So with a wireless one, just make sure your printer is already connected with your wireless networks, and the hardware is properly installed. So if you know everything is all good, so then just do these steps. So then after printing preferences, and on the printing preferences you will see a new dialog box, and then services here, and check down below, and then the supplies status page, and print, hit print on it. So the test page will comes out with everything described, like status of your supplies and how many pages you have already printed out, and the date you first installed and last date you used, etc. This is for the today, and then I hope you like this video. Give thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a great day.